Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a role game. You know those games you see on ads, right? Like it goes like rolling, the ball goes rolling, it will jump to the triangles. So that it's kind of a platformer game, but it's rolled. So this is my basic template. This is my basic theme right here. Now we're gonna change the color, change the mesh. So let's do that. Now let's change the point because I think it's circle. It looks super bad. Let's change it to a diamond or something. So now you see we are done with the design, and now let's improve our UI screen. Now the normal UI screen, right? Like this, right? And it doesn't have like a best score and all, but we also want our best score to be shown. That's what shows that's what gives it a challenge. So now let's add the best score for this. So now we are done with everything, the game over, everything is done. Now it's time to test our game. So now you can see this is our game right here. Now let's click on play. So you can see this is how it looks, like that. Boom! Okay. And okay. Let's try again. And like that, like that. Ooh, that was so close, right? Oh, this is so fun. Okay, 3 in a row. Nice. Ooh, there was a big cut there. And nice. 3 times. 1. Okay. So you can see this is a very fun game right here. And yeah, that's it for this lesson about how to create this game, like the role game. And if you want to learn more about how to create these amazing games and all, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes. Thank you and bye bye.